Imagine a future where industries have complete control over the flow of critical raw materials. No delays, no waste, just smooth and efficient operations. The MaaSiveTwin project offers a solution by focusing on production and logistics modeling, all within manufacturing as a service framework. With the increasing demand for CRMs, driven by emerging clean energy technologies like rechargeable batteries and wind turbines, there is a pressing need to optimize supply chains, anticipate demand-supply mismatches, and ensure sustainable and transparent practices. MaaSiveTwin is here to create a smarter way forward with a clear goal: to enhance efficiency, ensure sustainability, and build resilience into the critical raw materials supply chain. MaaSiveTwin will develop an initial demonstrator functioning as a MaaS platform. Using satellite image processing, real-time data tracking, and advanced modeling techniques, the MaaS platform analyses, predicts, and optimizes the supply chain for critical raw materials. Composed of a dynamic consortium of 8 partners from 6 different countries across Europe, this multidisciplinary team includes industries, organizations, and universities with diverse expertise essential to achieving the project's ambitious goals. The MaaSiveTwin solution aims to provide accurate predictions for price fluctuations, demand mismatches, and supply chain risks. In consequence, it will enable decision-making and sustainability reporting, empowering industries to act with confidence while fostering collaboration across the value chain. MaaSiveTwin, manufacturing as a service and supply chain. Predictive twin for critical raw materials.